yesterday and I loved it a lot. And it's so cold. I love cold weather and dark weather, thunderstorms. I love them. Like this weather, I shouldn't have brought a jacket. It's literally so cold. It's like AC, better than my home AC. And it's lovely in here. And so I'm wearing everything pink. And I also got this dolly. I think her name was Lulu. Someone gave an aunt in my school. They are very kind. My mom loves them. An aunt gave me a doll set a couple years ago. I mean, not a couple years ago. Maybe it's 1 year ago in 2025. And when I was in class 1. And the aunt gave me a toy set, and this is Lulu. There is also a house for this doll. I say she gave me a doll set, so it comes with a lot of packs. So this is not the only doll. There are more dolls here in the set, but now they have gone somewhere. Like I lose anything every 1 month and 1 year. I don't know, has it gone to the trash or something? It also had a tub. You know, the video I did when I was little. These flowers, so lovely, white. I think plants have grown very healthy these days because it rained a lot. It's so cold. It's colder than my grandma's house, I think. It's colder than my birthday month. You know what? You might want to say, what do you mean, the birthday month? I mean, my birthday is in December 18th. So, in December, we all know it's very cold. And it's colder than this. And this one is colder than December. So weird. Look at the sky. I think it looks a little weird. Does it look like leaves? Hi, but this is Sirajum. So you know she's wearing everything red. So you might think this is a dress, but it's actually a t-shirt. Let me explain you why. She wear a big t-shirt. My mom accidentally ordered the wrong size. If I were that, it would be in my... I mean, it will be longer than my lehenga that I'm wearing tomorrow's party. And tomorrow is the day. It's a party. It's a party.
Party class. I enjoy it.
And I'm really excited to show you the lehenga I just prepared for tomorrow's class party in Hong. You can also see it in my last video that I made in the blue hour.
Look at the sky.
Yes. It's smelling rain.
Leaves are so greenish. These are look healthy.
My subscribers from this side. It looks literally like a wave. It's such a beautiful day.
Cute hibiscus. Lots of wind in here, everyone. Look at this hibiscus flower. There is a flower. It is pink color. Did you see it?
flowers. So pink. I love pink, lavender. And look at these flowers. They are very cute to me. But if you came to my roof, it would look very beautiful. I mean, I'm taking a video of it, so it might look normal at first. But look at this way. It looks so pure and so much brilliant. I hope my clothes doesn't fly away. Hey everyone. Hi everyone. This is a lemon. So this is so green. I hope what it tastes like. I think it would be sour because my friend Anabia always tries it on rice and chicken, and it tastes very incredible. I mean, I'm a doll. I can't try food, but I'm going to try some chicken with Anabia this 6:30 in the evening. Look at this hibiscus. It's so big. Wow, I hope what it feels like in the human world. Oh my gosh, I'm so cold. I must tell my friend Anabia to make me a wool jacket. I mean, my friend Anabia's mother. She is very incredible and very talented. She can make dolls out of old t-shirts. She's so talented. I wish I was also talented like Anabia's mom. Look at these lemons. Oh my gosh, they're so heavy. I can't lift it. Yeah, it's so heavy. Ooh, what are these? I think they are called leaves.